Your exercise and eating habits, age, gender, and health status all affect the number of bowel movements you experience in a given day. While there is no set number of bowel movements a person should have, it's abnormal and possibly dangerous to go 3 or fewer times per week. Before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips like this and turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. Often, constipation causes bowel movements that are not only infrequent, but also hard and difficult to pass. This leads to excessive straining and time spent on the toilet. The causes of constipation vary. The condition may simply be due to such as things as dehydration or eating foods with too little fiber. In other, more serious cases, constipation can be the result of stress, hormonal changes, spinal injuries, muscle problems, cancers, and other structural problems affecting the digestive tract. Now here are the following natural remedies that have been found to be the most effective for quickly treating a bowel movement in a few hours. Number 1. Up your fluid intake. Water is really important for relieving constipation. If you're just not a water person, try to get enough through other liquids, like brothy soups or water-rich produce like watermelon. Just take a pass on sugary drinks, as they could make the problem worse. The actual amount of liquids you need varies by person, but the U.S. National Academies of Sciences, Engineering, and Medicine recommends that women have at least 11.5 cups of fluids, including fluids from water, other liquids, and food, a day, and that men strive for 15.5 cups. Number 2. Eat more fiber-rich foods. Gradually, increase the amount of fiber in the diet, as getting fiber at once may have a negative effect. Hence it is necessary to increase the fiber intake slowly. The ideal intake of fiber should be about 20 to 35 grams daily. Foods high in fiber can work wonders in relieving constipation, as it makes stool bulkier and softer. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water with your fiber for maximum benefits. Good sources of fiber include whole grains, nuts and seeds, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Prunes, pears, apples, oats, and lentils are all great examples of especially helpful foods to relieve constipation. Number 3. Enjoy a cup of coffee. The caffeine in coffee increases the contractions of muscles within your gut to push things through. It also contains liquid, which can be beneficial. Make sure you are not drinking decaffeinated coffee, as caffeine has been found to be helpful for the gut flora, and decaffeinated coffee doesn't have the same effect. Also, too much coffee can dehydrate you, so just take easy on it. We recommend drinking water along with your coffee for maximum effect. Are you not a coffee drinker? Strong tea can have a similar effect. Number 4. Get moving. Exercise is important for staying healthy overall, but it can also stimulate blood in the muscles in your gut, causing them to contract more and push poop along. Movement and exercise is always great for combating constipations. If you've been on the sedentary side lately, try going for a fast walk or do a full-on workout. However, vigorous exercise can do the reverse. Exercising regularly for 30 minutes a day or 150 minutes a week is beneficial. Number 5. Have some healthy fats. Foods that contain healthy, unsaturated fats like avocados, nut butter, olives, and oily fish can help speed things up in your GI tract. These fats lubricate the lining of the gut, allowing stool to move through a lot easier. 1 cup of avocado also contains 10 grams of dietary fiber, making it a good option to try. Processed foods and dairy products should be limited or avoided for better motion. Number 6. Sip on warm water. Water in general is crucial for relieving constipation, but warm water can also be a good tactic. It stimulates the inner lining of the gut, that can cause contractions down there to push your stool along. We all know that drinking water is probably the single most important thing we can do for our overall bodily function, but it's particularly important as a constipation remedy. Consistent dehydration can cause constipation. Drinking more water will help improve your bowel movements and give your body a vital push for good health, good skin, and a functional digestive system. Make it a habit to drink a full 8-ounce glass first in the morning, and fill your water bottle up throughout the day, and you should be making regular trips to the toilet bowl in no time. Number 7. Load up on probiotics. Probiotics, also known as the good bugs in your gut, are the living microorganisms that play a key role in how your body digests food. Just know this, they won't work immediately. It is not like Tylenol for fever, it does not work in 20 minutes. It takes time for good bacteria to digest food piece by piece, and might take more than a day. It changes the bacterial imbalance within your gut. That may also allow for things to move through your system a lot easier. Consider loading up on probiotic-rich fermented foods, like Greek yogurt or fresh sauerkraut, or pop a quality probiotic supplement to support your overall gut health. Number 8. Incorporate certain oils into your diet. The omega-3 fatty acids in fish oil are proven to manage symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome because they help you go to the bathroom regularly, at least according to one study. Look for a natural supplement or eat cold water fish, walnuts, or flax. Olive oil, which you probably have in your cabinet, stimulates your digestive system, too. Another option is castor oil, a favorite of moms everywhere. Researchers don't quite understand why it works so well as a laxative, but the FDA recognizes it as generally safe, and the best part is it works pretty fast. Number 9. Take some herbs. Herbs are just vegetables by another name, and they can have unique effects on constipation. Ground flaxseed was found to be effective in relieving constipation in one 2018 study of 53 people with type 2 diabetes, solidifying its reputation among nutritionists. Psyllium and fenugreek are also associated with moving things along. Psyllium is also the main ingredient found in products such as Metamucil, the fiber supplement. Nutritionists tend to recommend that these herbs are added to food, not taken on their own, both for taste reasons and so you get the added benefits of your meal. Number 10. Pop a squat. Everyone knows you should be squatting every time you take a dump. Just kidding. It's not common knowledge, but the way our bodies are positioned when we're on the toilet really does matter when it comes to relieving yourself with the least resistance. That's where something like the squatty potty comes in handy. It's a little stool that sits at the base of your toilet bowl, and you put your feet on it when you're doing your business, which allows you to be in a squat. A study found that defecation postural modification devices, aka squatty potties, positively influenced bowel movements duration, straining patterns, and complete evacuation of bowels. Constipation doesn't stand a chance against these natural remedies. Still, if you don't experience relief within a day or two, it's worth checking in with your doctor to rule out any major issues. If your bowel movement is decreasing and becomes less frequent than 3 times a week for a prolonged period, ask your doctor for a checkup to make sure that there aren't any issues you may need help with from a medical standpoint. In the meantime, though, your body is meant to poop. Sometimes, you just need to give it a little assistance. What's the longest that you've gone without going? Let us know in the comments section below.